Hey guys, so we have been solving the primary 5 test paper problems, right? So in that series, let's solve this problem today. Let me read it out. David and Sam have a total of 480 foreign coins. David has 1/3 of what Sam has. After David has given away quarter of his foreign coins to his sister and Sam has given some foreign coins to his brother, they have an equal number of foreign coins left. Now the question 1 is, what fraction of the total original foreign coins did David have left? And the second question is, how many foreign coins did Sam give to his brother? Right? So let's solve this problem. Yeah? So let's see how to solve it. So let's write down what is actually given in the problem, right? So there are 480 foreign coins. So David plus Sam have 480 foreign coins. David has 1/3 of what Sam has. So the ratio between them in this 480, ratio between them is that David is to Sam is 1:3, right? David has 1/3 of what Sam has. What it means is that David has 1 portion, Sam has 3 portion, right? So that's what the ratio. You see in the problem it is actually given in a fraction number, right? But it is actually a ratio between these two guys, like David and Sam. You don't get confused. The other fractions that are given is actually a different meaning. Yeah, so let me translate that here. So now what is the next one? David has given away quarter of his coins to his sister. So David gave 1/4, which is quarter, to sister. So that's what is given in the problem, right? So and then Sam gave X number, X coins to brother, right? Brother. It is also given after all this happened, now David and Sam have equal number of coins, right? The coins that David has and Sam has, both are equal. So this is what is given in the problem, right? Let's represent this in the model diagram, right? So this side will take it for David and this side will take it for Sam. So as per the first statement, it says that David had 1 unit and Sam had how many units? 3 units. 1, 2 and 3, right? They together had 480 foreign coins. What it means is that they added together, it's 480 foreign coins. Yeah? See here, this is 1 unit and this one is how many units? 3 units. I'll write it on the top. Yeah, 1 unit and this one is 3 units, right? Okay, so now the second one is given. David gave quarter of the coins to his sister. What it means is that he broke this one into 4, right? He grouped this one into 4. Let me draw that as well, right? He split this into 4 and then gave 1 portion to his sister, right? 1/4 to his sister. He split this into 4 and then gave 1/4 to his sister. Now we have to make always, right? Whenever you see problem like this, right? You have to make whenever you divide on one side, you have to also divide on the other side, which means you have to split this side as well to become the same unit size. So what do we need to do for that? We just split this side as well into how many units? First it was 3, each into 4 smaller units, right? 4 smaller units. So that's what we have done now, right? Okay, and the next one says Sam gave X coins to his brother. We don't know how many he gave to his brother. That's what one question that we are going to find. Yeah. Another question is that what fraction that David have left after he gave away to his sister? From the total, yeah, from the total, what is the fraction that David have left now, yeah, after all these changes are done? You see here, for that what do we need to do? Just think. Yes, very good. We need to count how many units are there, because see, this is what now David have left. Yeah, this is what left on David's side. Yeah, so now let's count. 3 units he is left with, but the question is, from the total, how much, what is the fraction? So we need to count how many units are there in the total, right, after making everything same size. So let's count. This side is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? 16. So he had 3 out of the 16 left after all these changes. So what it means is that David is left with how much? What is the fraction? 3/16 fraction of foreign coins. Yeah, so that is the answer 1. Got it, right? Yeah. Okay, so now the question 2 is, right, how many foreign coins did Sam give to his brother, right? So that's the question 2. So for this one is answer 1. So the question 2 is how much Sam gave to his brother. You see here, Sam gave X coins to his brother, but after all these changes happened, David and Sam, they both have equal number of coins. What it means, right? Sam also have left with only 3 units, which is equal to David. That's what the problem says, right? So what it means is that, right, this is what Sam also left with, right? Got it, right? That's what is given in the problem, right? So David and Sam supposed to be equal. Now David have been, he is left with 3 units, right? So Sam also must be having only 3 units because both are equal, right? So now the remaining is what he should have given to his brother, right? Right? Got it, right? Because he is supposed to have only 3 units. What it means is that he should have given away the rest of them to his brother, right? So how many units he gave to his brother then in that case? Right? You take away these 3 units because I shaded here. This is left, so I will shade the one that he gave to his brother. So now let's count how many units he gave to his brother. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So 9 units. 9 units, right? Sam gave to his brother, right? So before we find what is 9 units, right, we need to find what is 1 unit. What is 1 unit? Then only we can find, how much is 9 unit, because here the question is that, right, how many coins. It's not asking about the fraction, right? If it was a fraction, then he could have just simply said that 9/16, right? But he is asking, the question is how many coins, right? So what do we need to do for that? Yes, exactly. What do we need to do? See, 16 unit is equal to 480, right? So that's what is given in the problem. We have just split this unit into smaller, but this side has never changed. This one is always 480. So 16 unit is 480, right? 16 unit is 480. So what is 1 unit in that case? 480 divided by 16. Very good. So now you can cancel it for, let's start with 4, right? Let's start. 4 times 4 is 16. This side 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, and then we put the 0 here. Now this can still go for 4. 1 times 4 is 4, and then 3 times 4 is 12, and then put the 0. So 1 unit is how much? 30, right? 30. So now what do we need to find? How much? Because for question 1 we have already found the answer. Question 2, 9 unit is what Sam gave to his brother. So 1 unit is 30. So what is 9 unit? Yes, 9 times 30, which is how much? How much? Right? This is simple calculation. See, this is 0, so you just calculate only the number. 9 times 3 is 27, then put the 0, which is 270 foreign coins, right? So answer 2 is how much? 270 foreign coins Sam gave to his brother. Right guys, easy? Yeah, okay. So that is all. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel. First of all, don't forget that. Yeah, and if you still need more explanation, please leave your comments in the comment box. Thanks for watching.